thank you for clicking on this episode. We appreciate you being here.
I don't care, but he appreciates it.
I do appreciate it.
He does.
He should appreciate it.
I kind of. In a small way.
Welcome to today's episode where we are installing a brand new swing arm on my 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. I feel like I've done this intro 4 times today. Three times. Three,
4.
We're doing episodeception. So as we're working on this bike, which is my build-off bike against Kruesi Originals, be sure to go check them out. We are installing quite a number of parts. You guys have been asking, where's the episodes? Here they are. So in today's episode, we are installing a brand new swing arm, as I'm sure you can tell by the title or the thumbnail. We have not seen it yet. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This is a collaboration with Speed Dealers. Greatly appreciate the collaboration. Big thanks to Speed Dealers. You guys be sure to go check them out. Link down in the description below. Justin, who's holding the camera right now, actually,
hi guys.
He had one of these installed on his bike. It's beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this one. Let's go ahead. Get to opening it. Here's the box.
Wow.
All of its brown glory. It's like a railroad track. Ooh, lots of literature. Guys, I'm just joking. We're not. You do need to actually read all the literature that comes with it. A swing arm, it's a very big piece of your motorcycle. There's a lot of critical components on it for you to be able to ride safely. So important. Look, on the ear, they got important, they got stop, they got do not forget in bold. So be sure to review all of this stuff. We are going to be taking you guys through the installation. All right guys, so we've been keeping this for a secret. I've been telling y'all that I have a name for the bike. Speed Dealers, whenever you buy a swing arm from them, they send you a custom box. So we'll go ahead and use it to announce what I'm naming this motorcycle. And the name is Lucy. There you go. So we're naming the bike Lucy. I really love how they've put this in there. Contents may be addictive. Smoking kills. So, for those of you that don't know, smoking, cigarettes, and nicotine does kill. Let's look at the swing arm. Ooh. Ah. Damn, it's like artwork. Like, I don't even want to take it out of the fucking box. That is sick. Seriously, super cool. All right. You got some snips? 10 points in the comments section if you guys can tell me what these are called. Because we can't say it on camera anymore, which is stupid. I win. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and weigh it because we're seeing how much weight we're gonna save on the bike total, you know, whenever we're done with the build. So this should take off a few pounds. So we got our trusty scale here, zeroed out. Obviously all these parts are on the swing arm whenever we assemble it. So just gonna throw all these on here. And then get this thing.
This is with an axle and safety wire.
There we go, what are we at? 14 pounds, 14.3 ounces. We'll just...
And let's add the brake caliper for the hell of it. If you want to do the total there.
15 pounds, 15.4 ounces. Go ahead and round that one up. It's right there. 16 pounds. So whenever we take the stock one off, get this one on, we need to do it like straight heads up, right? So we'll do the stock brake caliper bracket, and then we'll be sure to have the bushings and everything in as well. Some specs and info about the Speed Dealer Customs swing arm. It is for baggers 09 to 2024. Made right here in the US of A, brother. It's machined from solid billet aluminum. The axle is machined from chromoly tubing. 8630 studs with interference threads. Stainless steel hardware with safety wire, feature on the nuts and axle slider. Axle nuts are machined from stainless steel. Cool thing about the Swingarm is it has spools and mounts to be able to utilize a motorcycle stand. Also, just as a heads up, if you guys get one of these, not included, you've got the shock mount bolt holes. They'll require a half 20 thread bolt. Also not included, the brake caliper bracket will require an M10 by 1.25 pitch bolts. Caliper hangers are available to match your anodized components, but those are sold separately. All anodizing is done in-house. We're gonna hand it over to Chris because he's the 27, dude, it's gotta be 28 year at this point, right?
1997. So let's do it real quick. August of 97.
27. Approaching year 28 now, so it's like 27 and 2 months.
How do you feel about that?
I mean, it is what it is. I was glad yesterday I was thought of as being in my mid-30s. When dude was here, and he's like, oh, he's the same age as all of us. Just mid-30s. I was like sitting there like, damn, cool. Yeah. All right, I'm 45, bro.
Immaturity that makes him seem younger.
That's right.
Not the way he looks.
It's almost as if I'm still in high school.
So are we like installing this or what, guys?
What in the f is your problem?
Roll your eyes again, bro.
You know, I'm tired of your attitude. Damn it, Bobber.
Ow! Just hit a snap, dude. Hit a snap, bro.
What we're gonna do here is you guys are gonna watch what we do. I'll kind of talk you through it as we go, and for the most part, well, I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible because we got a bunch of things happening and he's about to leave for a whole nother country. I'm about to get married and then I'll be gone to a whole nother place.
This is shit you guys don't see behind the scenes. There's a lot of moving parts, also customer builds. Leaving to London for a week for a wedding, come back, go to his wedding. After that, bachelor party, the following weekend, wedding, the following weekend, wedding. 4 weddings. All the shit you guys aren't seeing behind the scenes while we're trying to keep up with content. All you motherfuckers are like, where's the build episodes? We're fucking trying, okay?
With that being said, we do our best with what we've got. So if you guys miss a little content here, you miss a little content there, sorry, but not sorry.
It's the mic, dude.
I know, but I don't really like a phallus being pointed at my face. Well,
what inspired you to be a mechanic?
This guy called Uncle Timmy, he used to let me sit on his lap a lot and he would tell me about motorcycles.
I thought you said you didn't like phallus stuff. What?
Yeah.
What the f?
Jesus.
Oh, Gemini Christmas. All right.
Okay.
God damn, we got an email.
I feel like I'm in Windows. I'm on that little grassy knoll with the blue sky right now. Jesus Christ. All right, so we have stock swing arm off. We're gonna go ahead and put bushings, brake caliper mounts, and the swing arm on here, and we'll do the math.
I don't know that it'll balance out.
I feel like every time, dude.
It just does this. Do this, Dingleberry.
It won't fucking fit like that.
Well, it's gotta be
it's gonna be
something.
touching.
I know, it's cheating.
25 3 ounces, let's say.
Yeah, 3.5. 25.3.
Which makes the weight difference right there. So check it out, a little side-by-side comparo. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. And then on the speed dealer one, you have the multiple mounting points for the suspension. So what'd you say, the middle one was stock height?
I believe the middle is stock and then you have a +1.
One forward is going to be at like a +1 inch, and then one back is going to be minus 1 inch. So you can adjust the ergonomics on it, which is pretty badass. Like that changes the feel of a bike a lot. And then the ability with the spools, if you're changing or like doing chain maintenance, because we are swapping this thing over to chain, to put a bike stand behind it and be able to just lift it up instead of having to put like a jack or put it on a lift and none of that shit. Like super easy.
That goes to the insides of here. Insides of there. We're gonna aim. Yep, money. Money in the bank. Good job.
Money in the bank. Shorty, what you
Money in the bank. Yeah. Shorty, what you drink.
So we're at the point now where we need that fine thread hardware for the rear suspension. So there's a stock coarse thread, but you got fine threads in here. So we got to make a run to Ace. We'll scoop up those bolts for both sides. It is the end of the day here, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a day, scoop up that hardware in the morning, and we will resume tomorrow. That is the Speed Dealer swing arm installed on the new Road Glide. It looks great. Also, since we are going to be doing a chain drive conversion, the rear spools, sport bike it's going to be super convenient for chain maintenance. If you guys have ever owned a sport bike, you know how that works is like you hook the lift under those rear spools, push down, lifts the back end up so you don't have to put it on a jack or anything else. Super quick, super easy, very convenient. Quality of it, fantastic. Looks great. With that, we had to go over to the monoblock caliper, so the Brembo, so better stopping power. You guys will notice that we swapped back over to the OEM wheel, so like I said, we do have like 4 episodes going on at the same time. We've got the suspension, we've got the swing arm, we've got the wheels, the carbon wheels. We're doing a bit of testing back and forth. So OEM is back on there right now. We're gonna revisit the carbon wheel episode to see if those like 0 to 60, 0 to 100 times are faster with the carbon versus OEM. So got it still here on the dyno. We're doing more horsepower science with it. Big thanks to Speed Dealer for working with us on this episode. We greatly appreciate it. We are a licensed distributor for them, so if you guys want to order one for your bike, check out the website, check out the link down in the description below. Love the packaging that it came in. The custom box was super cool. If you guys have any questions on this part, on this installation, drop them down in the comments below. Let us know. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope it was insightful for you. If you guys did enjoy it, do us a favor, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you in the next one. Peace.